Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Ford F150, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter in this truck. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood, pull the latch, move the latch to the left and raise the hood up. It should stay. Alright, so actually this is our air filter housing and the air filter is inside. So how do we remove it? First of all, we remove these clips, 1, 2, and move this out of your way. Over here we have our filter, so get the filter out and inspect it. Okay, this one is already dirty. Okay, as you can tap on it, a lot of dust comes out, so you can either air dry it. Well, you should actually. Okay, so you have to replace this one. So to buy a replacement part, you can go to the parts store, or you can buy it on eBay or Amazon. Just type in whatever year and year, make, model of the car you have, and which part you need. So this is gonna be 2015 Ford F150 air filter, and then you just choose the one you want, and that's it. Once it comes in the mail, same, like, do what I said. Get it out, get the old one out. When we have the new one, put it in like this. Okay. And to close it, first of all, you put this side in. You see, okay, like this, and then you can close the front. That's it. Yeah guys, so this is very simple. As you can see, if it helps, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.